Good morning. I am hanging out in my garden for a little bit. Just planted out some more onions, and I thought I enjoy the plants and the birds, domestic and native and wild, and just hanging out with the sun coming in and out of the clouds. And I was wondering what to share, and I was thinking maybe we just share the sounds, the breeze, take a couple breaths. I did see a hummingbird sitting on the power line, and it really emphasized to me the need for rest, the need for stillness, the need for calm moments, the need to just be present, that it's not always go, 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 not always what's the next thing, that it's really in cycles, that busyness comes and then busyness goes, and then we have moments that are much calmer, and to find really that cyclical up and down in our lives, what works for us. Because some things work for some people and some things work for others, and really finding what works for you, what is your best cycles. And they can change depending on the seasons, depending on what's going on, depending on what's going on with you in your life. So I invite us all to just breathe here for a minute or two. Not get distracted by the rooster, and just sit, take a breath deep into your belly, and then slowly let it out. Make a sound if that helps, so that you can hear your breathing. Just breathing in the calm for the day, and breathing out anything that might be annoying, and just let it pass through. Don't make any attachments to it. Thank you for breathing with me in this moment. And I sometimes find it even helpful to have distractions like the rooster coming into times of wanting to calm myself, so that I can spend my attention on what I want to focus on and not on what is considered noise or distraction. Because there's distractions everywhere. Doesn't matter where you are, there's going to be something that will interfere with your inner calm or inner peace. So really cultivating that space where what happens outside of you doesn't affect what you're focusing on. And with that, I hope you guys have a lovely rest of the day. Love y'all. Bye for now.